She's getting dressed right now, so.
And his lights are in this big ass bag.
Listen,
big ass bag.
How's the shoot going so far?
Good. I'm enjoying it.
Just starting.
I tried out right now.
Calvin, what's going on?
Hey, what's going on? I feel so sexy. I know I look garbagey, but like I feel sexy. I feel sexy. If I lost
Now he's the model. Did you notice that? I got 3 cameras on him.
I better get all the BTS by the
This is what this one lady said. We were like walking out here and she was here with her kids. And the kids were like, oh, so we're stopping here for lunch. And she looked at me and she's like, nope, we are not staying here for lunch. She's like,
You got me. I was like, never do what? All right, this is gonna be an interesting.
We're having a GoPro war. Oh, okay. Yeah, not the 9, guys. It's the 6, you said?
So I have a gimbal.
I was wondering why you're using the gimbal.
Jenna in Papago Park. So can't wait to see these shots.
We're playing rock music. We're trying to get in the mood. We're trying to set the mood.
Going so
good.
far.
So
Yeah.
fun.
So right now we're gonna do a pull-up shot. We're gonna showcase how to light the back evenly and dramatically. Doesn't make sense right now, but it will.